The power of self-confidence. Unlocking the strength within. Introduction. The invisible force behind greatness. Self-confidence is the quiet inner force that drives people to take bold steps, speak their truth, and rise after every fall. It is not arrogance, nor is it an absence of fear. Rather, self-confidence is the unwavering belief that you are capable, worthy, and enough, even when life tells you otherwise. In a world filled with competition, criticism, and comparison, self-confidence is the armor that shields you from doubt and the fuel that drives your dreams forward. True self-confidence isn't loud or boastful. It doesn't scream for validation or applause. It's the calm voice inside that says, "I can do this," even when no one else believes in you. It's the resilience to keep moving when you fail, and the courage to stand alone if needed. And most importantly, it is a skill, not a gift, that anyone can develop, nurture, and strengthen over time. Pod I. Understanding self-confidence. What is self-confidence, really? At its core, self-confidence is a belief in your own abilities and judgment. It's not about thinking you are better than others. It's about trusting yourself enough to try, fail, learn, and try again. Self-confidence allows people to take risks, to speak up in rooms where they once felt invisible, and to push past comfort zones. People often confuse confidence with extroversion or boldness, but they're not the same. You can be quiet and deeply confident. Likewise, someone may appear outgoing and still struggle with self-worth internally. Confidence is not how loud you are, it's how strong your belief is in yourself, regardless of external approval. The psychology behind confidence. Psychologists define self-confidence as part of what's called self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations. When people feel capable, they are more likely to take initiative, persevere through challenges, and maintain a positive outlook. Our self-confidence is shaped early in life through interactions with parents, teachers, peers, and the environment. Encouragement, achievement, and positive feedback all build confidence, while constant criticism, failure without support, and trauma can weaken it. However, no matter your past, self-confidence can always be rebuilt. It's a skill that grows with action. Part 2. The internal battle. Doubt versus planned belief. The voice of self-doubt. Every person has a voice inside that whispers fear. You're not good enough. You'll fail. Others are better than you. This inner critic thrives on comparison, perfectionism, and fear of failure. And for many, this voice is loud enough to silence ambition. Self-doubt is normal. It's a protective mechanism designed to keep us safe from rejection or embarrassment. But when it dominates, it paralyzes. It causes us to shrink, hesitate, and settle. The tragedy is not that people lack talent or potential, it's that they often never give